In today's video, we're going to bring you an intermediate West Coast swing pattern called a sugar push. Just kidding. It's just a way for me to get to a right hand hold so I can get to a cross hand hold so I can wrap her in, dance a rock and go, and then change spots in the slot and then walk her out into the next pattern. What's up, gang? My name is Brian B.
I'm Miss Megan.
So let's take this piece by piece, and like we like to build moves, we're literally going to build it piece by piece. So I ultimately wanted to get to this hand hold, but instead of just doing Megan's move, which she loves, which is a way to get to that hand hold, I wanted to give you a cool way that felt like you could dance into it in a more intermediate way. So coming off a sugar push, I have this hand hold, so I can dance a free spin, 3 and 4. So that way I can kind of dance my anchor around 5 and 6. So I'm kind of blindside here. Now, piece by piece, the easiest way to do this here is to walk to the shoulder and then anchor back out to that hand, right? So if I've got this, the first piece is I have to be able to walk, prep the walk, roll her into the shoulder, and then anchor her back out. Changing the hand, that'll be the first version. Second thing we need to do, if we walk, rolled her in and anchored her back out and kept that hand, now I lead the inside turn, taking this over my head. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then slide down 5 and 6. So if I did that from the beginning, and this is building piece by piece, because you're going to need each of these moves, obviously the sugar push to change hands, the free spin to get to a handshake hold. I'm going to roll her into the shoulder and back out, and then I'm going to roll this over her head and my head before we anchor, because I need to, as a social dancer, build those skills before I throw her the advanced intermediate pattern. So social dance-wise, I would kind of mix those in, but now that we've got this far, we free spin. I know Megan can roll in, roll out. I know she's comfortable with all these moves. But now I want to over-rotate this to get to this bow tie anchor step. So let's talk about that. So this includes a rock and go, which means we're going to bypass the anchor. We prep 1, 2. I roll her into the shoulder. 3 and 4. I allow her to get a little further forward over on that foot than I would normally. She's going to present this hand. I'm going to pick it up on the pinky side. I'm going to over-rotate this to prep her on 5, and I'm going to pull her out and prep her onto the left foot for 6. Now, this is the same move that I led with the right hand over my head, over her head and my head. Good job, Miss Megan, right? But now I'm going to take the left hand up first, so triple step. Cool? So if we do that from, let's do it from this side, so that way you can see it from the back. So we've kind of done the blind side. We roll in 1, 2, 3 and 4. She's forward on that foot. I over-rotate into the rock and go. 5 and 6. She's prepped. Left hand goes up. The right hand's doing the work. 7 and on 8, I'm going to step back in the slot, take both hands over like a bow tie as we anchor step. So let's look at the whole thing from there, and then we'll get to the final wrinkle. Sugar push to get to the right hand. Free spin, so I can dance myself into a handshake hold. I roll her in, I roll her out, over, and anchor. But the last piece, and if you see this, you really want to layer on your moves. From a basic sugar push to a free spin, layering up. So if we do it from this side, the final wrinkle, sugar push, change the hand, free spin. So we have some freedom here. It's a little bit more of an intermediate way to dance into this. I roll her in. Provided all of this has gone well, triple step. I'm going to start my way across the slot, triple step, and now I'm in the slot this way, and I can come out with whatever other move you want to know. So let's talk about how we get there. We'll pick it up from here. So she rolls in, rolls out, triple step. I want to begin this step starting across. Now already right here, she's starting to connect into my hand, because normally we just slide that hand down and anchor. Now I'm going to take the right hand, triple step, reconnect to her, and we're just connected as if we did a starter step, and she's connected in that hand. So now you can pick up this hand, you can lead a tuck off this hand, anything you want to know. But since you're an intermediate dancer, you should take a peek at our video we did on intermediate moves list. It's just a bunch of different ideas, different moves that you can try. It's kind of not meant as a one-stop shop. It's meant as an idea list. And if you're very interested in how these patterns go together and how do you build patterns, Megan created something called a pattern tree chart, which you can download right here for free. There's your moves list. There's your pattern tree chart in your email. We'll give it to you free. See you on the dance floor soon.